Understanding bent cop, exploring slang in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the world of English slang. We'll explore the meaning, origin, and usage of the phrase, bent cop. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English idioms and slang, this video will shed light on this intriguing phrase. Let's get started. The term, bent cop, is a piece of British English slang. Being bent, in this context, means being dishonest or corrupt. So, a bent cop is a police officer who does not follow the law or the ethical standards expected of their position. This phrase can imply various levels of corruption, from accepting bribes to being involved in criminal activities. It's a colloquial expression and is often used in movies, TV shows, and books. Understanding the origin of slang phrases can be tricky as they often arise from colloquial speech and may not have a well-documented history. However, the word bent, in the context of dishonesty, has been in use for a long time. It likely comes from the idea of something that is not straight, which metaphorically applies to someone not following a straight and narrow moral path. The specific combination of bent and cop to denote a corrupt officer has been popular in British English, especially in the context of crime dramas and media. To help you understand how to use bent cop in conversation, here are a few examples. After the investigation, it was revealed that there was a bent cop within the department who was leaking information to criminals. The film's plot revolves around a detective trying to expose a bent cop in his unit. Rumors say that the sudden wealth of the officer might be because he's a bent cop. Remember, this phrase is informal and might not be suitable for formal contexts. It's also important to use it carefully as it implies serious misconduct. Bent cop isn't just a slang term. It has cultural significance, especially in British media. This phrase is often associated with crime dramas and detective stories. It represents a common theme where a seemingly upright institution like the police force has elements of corruption. Understanding such phrases can give you deeper insights into English-speaking cultures, particularly British culture, and enhance your understanding of English media content. We hope this exploration of the phrase, bent cop, has been enlightening. Remember, learning a language isn't just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the cultural nuances and colloquialisms that make a language rich and vibrant. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on English language learning. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.